What it is, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy BTV Mod, back with another video. You feel me? In this video, you know what I'm saying? I mean, we going to the range, you feel me? But mainly what this video is for, you know what I'm saying? We finna take the first shots out of my 45, my Glock 45. You feel me? So that was what we really here for, you feel me? But I got a few other toys, you feel me? We gonna shoot them or whatever. You feel me? So get to Academy, pick up some bullets. You know what I'm saying? We gonna do all that. I know y'all peep the shirt. I'm finna hop out. I'm gonna give y'all a little fit check, you feel me? And you know what I'm saying? We gonna get it popping. Alright. You see me, stop playing. Legally dangerous. We coolin' right now. Yeah, nah, man. We gonna hit y'all when we get to the range.
Yeah, we already gotta stick with the nuts. If you believe in your luck, then that's okay. Yeah, stay grinding, stay prayed. If it bleeds, then found you.
What it is, YouTube, man. You see, we at the range with it. You feel me? So we gonna go. You feel me? I'm gonna take the first couple shots of this Glock 45. You feel me? So we're gonna go ahead and get it popping. Yes, sir. Then we got the 43X shot. You feel me? And also EDC. You know what time it is. 10 shots. You know what I'm saying? This is the target I always get, you feel me? Be like 15 feet. Lot 45. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, I'm just shooting high with it. I'm shooting high with it, so I need to bring it down a little bit. What happened? Yeah, we shooting high with it, you feel me? So we're gonna bring it down just a little bit. I pulled one shot, a majority of them, they'll look. What? I don't know if somebody don't come in.
No, it's a lot of people out there.
So then somebody probably already gonna grab it.
DJ was able to tell what I did.
What you doing?
And he told me to save it. He said he's gonna let me get 2 more of these. So I showed him the before. The first time.
Yeah.
He said I got 8 out of 10.
Mm-hmm. Exactly. Them two. Exactly.
And then he said, "Here, I did horribly."
Mm-hmm.
So it's still now it's 8 out of 20.
Mm-hmm.
So he said, "Here, he could tell I pulled."
Mm-hmm.
And he said he's been doing this to his daughter. That's why he told me do it again. And then he told me, he said he wants me. He said you can see that you have 10, okay, but you're struggling real bad at 20. He said so I would do another 2 20s.
And 10. What I told you.
I told him, he said I got a good teacher.
She don't want to listen to me. She want to listen to people that work at a gun
That's not true.
a gun range.
That kind of hurted me though.
Everything I be telling her,
Don't do that.
she want to stand like this.
That's
I
not
tell
how
you,
I
yes, she was. Yes, she was. All right, back up. I'm finna shoot. God. See, boy, it's like, let's go and shoot a few more. I mean, I'm liking it though. You know what I'm saying? It feel real good. You feel me? I just need to. Now I'm pulling to the left a little bit. It feel good though. I mean, I pulled 1, 2, 3. I put 3 shots. You feel me? 3 out of 20. You feel me? I ain't mad at it. You feel me? Load up 10. I ain't mad at it. Let me see. Yeah, I'm pulling to the left. Pulling to the left. I mean, but you feel me? Overall, I'm messing with it. You feel me? I'm aiming right there, but I'm pulling to the left. Let me show y'all. You feel me? You feel me? I'm aiming right there. You know the dot, but I'm aiming. You feel me? Pulling to the left.
Come on, man.
Yeah. All of my niggas that came from the 3. On with the game, we rollin' real deep. Gotta stay hungry, you better not be sleep. You see the vision, but do you believe? Real mixed pre, she stay.
It's now or never. You gon' bend in your brakes.